Throw someone under the bus.
Elephant in the room.
Go down a rabbit hole. Bite the bullet.
English phrases can be sneaky. 1 minute you're nodding. The next, you're wondering why someone's talking about elephants in rooms or biting bullets. In this video, I'll crack 15 of these tricky expressions wide open in plain English so you can drop them like a pro without the awkwardness. Phrase 1. Throw someone under the bus. Meaning, to betray someone to save yourself. Scenario: 2 coworkers are blamed for a mistake. One blames the other to look innocent. Tip: don't use it literally, no buses involved. Phrase 2. Move the goalposts. Meaning, to change the rules after something has begun. Scenario: you study for a test, then the teacher adds extra chapters last minute. Tip: great for work or sports contexts. Phrase 3. Go down a rabbit hole. Meaning, to get lost exploring something deeply, often online. Scenario: you open TikTok for one video and 2 hours later, you're still scrolling. Tip: it can be neutral or slightly negative depending on tone. Phrase 4. Cut corners. Meaning, to save time or money by doing something poorly. Scenario: a builder uses cheap materials to finish a house faster. Tip: we only use it negatively, never as praise. Phrase 5. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to force yourself to do something unpleasant. Scenario: you hate making phone calls but finally call your landlord. Tip: it's informal but common in the workplace. Phrase 6. Level playing field. Meaning, a fair situation where everyone has an equal chance. Scenario: scholarships let poor and rich students compete equally. Tip: use it in business, sports, or education contexts. Phrase 7. Take it with a pinch of salt. Meaning, don't believe it completely. Scenario: your friend tells wild stories about celebrities he met. Tip: in American English, they also say grain of salt. Phrase 8. Bark up the wrong tree. Meaning, to accuse the wrong person or follow the wrong lead. Scenario: you think your sister ate your cake, but it was your dad. Tip: works well in arguments or detective stories. Phrase 9. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your decision or turn to act. Scenario: you've sent a proposal to a client, now it's their move. Tip: great for emails. The ball's in your court. Phrase 10. Go the extra mile. Meaning, to do more than expected. Scenario: a shop assistant stays late to help you. Tip: very positive. Use it to praise people. Phrase 11. Cold shoulder. Meaning, to ignore someone deliberately. Scenario: after a fight, your friend stops replying to texts. Tip: it's a noun and a verb. Give someone the cold shoulder. Phrase 12. Kick the can down the road. Meaning, to delay dealing with a problem. Scenario: politicians avoid making a decision and push it to next year. Tip: business and news English love this phrase. Phrase 13. Elephant in the room. Meaning, an obvious problem nobody mentions. Scenario: everyone at work knows layoffs are coming, but no one speaks. Tip: you can also say let's address the elephant in the room. Phrase 14. Jump on the bandwagon. Meaning, to join something just because it's popular. How can I explain this? Well, when everyone starts wearing a new shoe brand, so you do too. Tip: can sound critical. You're not being original. Phrase 15. Hit the ground running. Meaning, to start a new job or project with energy and skill. On your first day, you already solve a big problem. Tip: use it for work, sports, or studies. That's your crash course in 15 surprising phrases. Each one hides a meaning you won't guess from the words alone. Pick 3 and try them this week. The more you practice, the faster you'll sound natural and confident. Like, share, and subscribe for more plain English lessons like this.